Hey, what's up guys? It's Johnny. Today we're looking at this 1999 Chevy S10. The AC blows cold, the heater blows hot. Perfect. The only problem is that fan speed number 1 and number 2 do not work. So if you turn on the AC, fan speed number 1, I feel nothing. Number 2, nothing. Number 3, there it is. I feel it. I'm sure you can hear it. And 4. Oh yeah. Okay. 4 works, 3 works. Bring it down to 2, it shuts off. 1 remains off. So leads me to believe that the problem here is the what's it called? The blower motor resistor, which is located under the hood in this specific truck. And I believe it's the same from 1999 all the way to 2002 on the Chevy S10. This here is a 99. Let's check it out. All right, guys, again, this is a 1999 Chevy S10, and we're gonna be replacing the blower motor resistor. It's located right here on the left side of the vehicle. You just remove these 3, 1, 2, 3, 7mm bolts, and unplug that and pull it out. Let me go ahead and do that. Give me just a moment. All right, so I went ahead and removed those 3 7mm bolts with a 7mm socket and a ratchet, which you can see here. And I also have the new part here. I got that from AutoZone for $18.99. All right, let's take the old one out, put the new one in. Just pull this out carefully. There it is, the old blower motor resistor. Now to unplug this, all you do is pretty much pull it down and out, down and out. All right, there's the old part. Here's the new one. All right, get rid of the old one, let's put in the new one. So again, just plug it in, push it in, put back those 3 7mm bolts. All right, guys, so it was much easier for me to bolt it down first and then plug it in. So whatever works easier for you. Bam. All right, all done, guys. Let's go see if it works. All right, guys, we just replaced the blower motor resistor. Let's see if it works. All right, moment of truth. Yeah, I feel the air. There you go. You guys can hear it, I'm sure. Before you couldn't. Number 3 and number 4. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it works. All right, guys, there you go. That's how easy it is. 20 minutes, $20, and a couple of tools. Blower motor resistor has been fixed. 1999 Chevy S10. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I appreciate them all. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.